come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months at your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen I mean you the party.
Ade. Seer. Seer. Seer, what's wrong? Ade, when are you leaving? Huh? Obi forward here. Come on. And then I see. Aroma. And Aroma, I do a couple back for. Why they talk to me? Why they
slapped me today because he said he came to my class and then I was eaten wrong.
What? I know what boy soon. See,
I've been trying to explain myself, but he wouldn't let me.
See, I said I catch you as a boy, young fellow. I catch you the last time. See, if you see more, be me be any more about the worry no. On any more about the worry or sell life. See, oh, you was in Kujani Chidi. Them or the mount. See, it's come on the mount. Remember times 10.
I'm not even asking for anything.
Seriously, I know my boy will still time. Don't cry, okay? I'll be eating. I'll be there in the old house.
I'm going to be anything for now.
See, I can't you say I love you? Till we are my boy, we are still time. See you.
MJ. Hi.
On the Bible,
Na Osua, wono, wo your mother care and I say we are nanny.
Sometimes you can need bra. Now, who can't cross him?
The parent me can't cross the same thing.
On me by was me, Busan said,
on the macho. Dear Michelle get now park. Me can we ask him now? What's your crowd?
Opoku. Morning down this time. My ba, Nipani soon. The Busan said the NSC. But say Aroma bona soon.
Aroma bona soon.
What did you now say me?
See ya. Aroma slap you. For the what? What's why they?
You mean share them Busan? Say sometimes.
No, so be no be a class or bona soon. Cause a relationship. Relationship with the other and talk home. A bro, a media home.
Na say born so bona soon mo nya di because on worry no.
Huh?
On worry no.
Na no the home was a
kwasi asem.
Oba say obi siesie oba say oba councilor Luchos ana say oba say obi suade o
you na oba de yetine sapa na ebo oba
eno no nya wo wasem maji twenansa eno nya wasem boku
ujini ya na bo mempe nkwasasem
ja wo ho maji di sem no Jamaica sem no na chai de we awo yo sem no why na say wo romantic sem
ipa isi o ka ujini
ana hu ayi say too sweet ana on
yeah sure like nothing.
It's a 3 hour romantic. T for 3. T for 3.
I need to know tea as an actual.
I don't know about the crowd.
Here we go. Take care.
T for 3. Put in the mood. And I'm coming the way away. Put in more do now. I don't feel here. But see, I go Kamabu school.
Yeah, Kwawa.
Mate. Ahwe na why? Hey. Oche tsunami no. Suma dem to acha na so bia so. Come. By the way only. O say edi entipa na oti house.
I was coming from the school and then I came to the hostel. I saw Aroma. He asked me where I'm coming from, and then I told him because I was late for class and then I had my period, so I was in the washroom.
Continue.
And then he said I'm lying to him. I went somewhere and he slapped me.
She slapped you?
He slapped me.
She slapped your face? Aroma. Why not call reporting to my police for?
You see, we are in a relationship, so I don't know how to.
You are in a relationship. Let me panic you yaka there. What do you show? Have you reported to the headmaster? So why are you coming and sitting here crying?
If I report it to the headmaster, they are going to call my parents.
Now what was your for no say? Obi edin kwata same say ya. Tell me you ready. Huh? Tell me you ready. See ya, school marshal who your medical catch now. This time around, they may pay na some they were him my. I remember dear do him what pie. Among for me my pie. Emu dia sonwa. Emu tietia. Emu dia afia. Emu dia akwa. Emu sharp curve. Hey! Why am I did the across playing ground? Seer, is that what your mom brought you in the school to do?
Did I tell you I'm sleeping with everybody?
Now, Aroma,
I've even broken up with him. I can't do this anymore.
Because your bathroom was Aroma, no didn't got the same chill. Oh, what's it?
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am
Aroma no. Now watch them is a way believer. Watch them say the whole school no a guy. Eh? Oh, watch them say won tena ho mo buy nyimi wo nim. Ubegwa no. Eno na meti yo eno kramada. Gozo no guess na frame opoku bra. Timi so on the phone to 400 missed calls. And I'm say I don't know cause what guess the I want guess no hostel. Me ko ho no ma. Seer na die ya. Na nina white ne kwa na ka so black ni na free so. Hey. I dey asem. Esro kana na no me say o da bi na Aroma na abonaso. Me say asumo keke. Asumo keke no na ni dane no. Chiame. Watch them say we are bema. What's the mema ni nyina anim? Boys no school nyina what tie nyina anim.
Boy, Seer. Me Seer no bro enyo.
Otete o.
Girl no be kumi kwa fi wiase na asemasa.
Hey, blah. Enfo.
Be che di say me makom class. Me say we abo, you know, I was say me ye the needful. Ma to aduane. Say we am the ba we bia me the ko aduane.
We bia to aduane ko ma Seer.
Bro. Ma to aduane de adru me dru class wa ne friend ne say
we bia to aduane ko ma Seer.
We bia me de ko.
Any abesem gele no.
Okuna say
o de to aso
the boys line no boys almost
Mate na ye dey.
Me dru ho na dan for ne share seat ni say omonhu Seer the whole day. Na say class no kwa no on ma class o. And say bia wa ba na wapi o from an opana you free on dru class. Bro, why? Ama me ma di aduane no.
Wa na odi
Iddi. And I be share top what no. Or buy na no anya ni period na me call.
A case ni na no. What to aduane de koma no. And I call oni class. And I wa wi o say di aduane no. And I ba wa sa be boge.
Opoku enya aduane na me toy no. Girl na ha me.
Nantie na nantie.
Challenge see ha me. Ibi he na okoye okohe wo de wo kan ko bro. Enfa na wo so wo kwa no pa nyina on ba class.
Ende no kre. Ene udi se obo no. Anu ano no case ni nyina ano no.
So wo call now response yes wo call ho no ma da house na wo se de.
Gende o mu se oda wuo ni kwankwanto.
Na wo kan da nti o mu.
Me catch a guess.
Then I we are then. We show pity and answer. We are then. Oh,
I call me. David, me dey say me call say the nisi dan na areho. Ti me na me sun bia me sun ye di areho ya na me sa ba adom. Ba wa ya de.
Say no ho ye.
Me na me ka say o so gina wo ni nkwankanta. Obetimi awu at any time. Obetimi so abagom anytime.
There be bro. Wo dey. Wo say ma born ba wonim say girl no ma.
Na wo born na nwene wo so obetimi awu afam. Ah? Oh, no, me say case who be. Me say case who be o. Case me nani.
Bro, so do be on so you overprotective na dia dey. Chale me check girl no.
No correct. Ba me pa o. Come bonani. Come mo blow say he. Mo blow say no gate pa. Na ni left on. Some dey bo say.
Yeah man, asantua.
Mo je ba.
Asantua, you say asantua bo ani mu ha.
Ne. Asantua betuma gina me mani.
Asantua bo.
Ne.
E wo sa la na me tie kwa me imagine say kamen kasa ho biem.
Asantua dia no. Me ba me tise na pa me na to form.
Yo.
Ana no so mu ma me so. Asantua no betuma gina me mani.
Me tise asem no. You say kamen kasa cause ne why na nye brotherhood na nye proud of.
Aroma. Asantua mo me da. Asantua ntimi na asantua me ha me ni chire nti on tento. Santua. Hey, Aroma obi a me ko me man tokwa. Me nko ekosizo. Me nko keti afo nyina me nko na me gina finfin we kuta sekan
Bahubali.
Enye Bahubali sem ba me fit but no me bu ho no ma ya na asem the school sem mabda munti no mitimi ne kiki uze ya tijina enye izi so babom.
What then?
Ya tijina enye izi so babom.
Me no tijina. Enye izi say me bo.
Body obabom but on fa no totoroto. Tie na me just say body tie ma me ntire mnire asanto abom obom.
Yeah man. Come. Concern na ko.
Tika wo be chimi mene.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pese me come ani mo.
Diko jo busy me dey me pa shish no. Ai. Ma me run say.
I won near man.
Time
Yo, no dey. We boy yo, say na man dey mboa wo.
Ni abro. Me no na me dey fa me ho adwen wo. Hwe. Me bra bro, Adam so dey be ani pa agenda. Oh shot. Mo mustiz we me feel mustiz we o. I mean, you go to more now. Yeah, I mean, I have to see that. Person. I make us in each other. Wow, anyone who I see we are saying. But I pay Nipa could pour the kind of crater. I pay my own Adams. Yeah, Adams, you answer.
Okay.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay.
Tell me anything. Just
We'll talk later.
the goodness is for us.
Next time when I'm going, I'll let you know.
Yeah, you should let me know. Really good me.
I'll talk to you about it. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Where did you came?
When did I?
When did you went? Where did you went?
I went somewhere. I'll talk to Adams about it.
You went somewhere.
Why do you care? Are you okay?
Bokumio. What then? Bokumia felle. Blah.
What's going on?
I don't know. But no person may come to the animal. I don't know.
Yeah, that's abo.
I thought by the time I'll be back, you'll be fine. Oh, sorry, Opoku.
was even okay for the past 3 days, and even this morning.
It is not a sick bay sickness. It is not a sick bay sickness.
So since I left, you've not been to the sick bay again?
No, it is not a sick bay sickness.
Then what sickness is it?
Only God knows. Only God knows. Only God knows. Only God knows.
Hope you are too weird.
I'm sickness. I'm sickness. I didn't say. I'm sickness. We are getting to the way once I want them wrong. I want them here. I want them here. I'm going to.
And your head is also not better.
No. How can it be better?
It's better.
Yeah, you should go home.
I can't go home. I can't go home. Before we need the investment, you. Before we need the investment,
Precious, where have you been?
Yeah, I had to talk to you about this. I went home. Certain auntie of mine got really sick, so I had to go.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me anything.
My auntie wasn't well at all.
Oh.
So I had to go home.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
But you should have informed me of this.
Yeah, when I went, my phone went off. Even on my way going, that was when my phone went off.
Yeah, that's why I tried calling you several times, but I wasn't reaching you.
And then throughout the week too, like I was like, it became so serious that I couldn't call.
You really got me worried.
I couldn't even use my phone. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
No problem,
I'm sorry.
The good news is seeing you again. Because I didn't know what was wrong. I even thought maybe you were being kidnapped by some people or something like that. But
oh, really?
Yeah. Someone even told me you're going to get married to some foreign nigga or something.
Going to get married?
Yeah.
And did you believe them?
No, I didn't believe. No.
You sound like you believe
them.
No,
I didn't believe him or her.
Oh, I'm so disappointed.
Oh no, Precious.
You believe them?
No, I didn't believe them because.
How can I just go and get married? I recently told you that I love you, so how can I just go and get married?
Yeah, that was what got me surprised. Yeah.
I'm not going to get married.
Yeah.
My auntie wasn't well at all. That was why I went to.
Really?
Yeah. Why would I come back if I'm going to get married?
I trust you.
It's good you trust me.
Yeah, I trust and I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
I never thought this was ever going to happen.
It has happened then.
Yeah. It seemed like a dream to me. Yeah.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Pray that
IG. Wiki.
I boy sure.
Don't bet the way video.
Abieta no mentimia ma me kura me dwano.
Wana so me feel ya me feel udi better than you feel.
On say uti. O say me ko town sa na. Ngo e twate so. Say ne. Alam so me ko e twate small. Me to da me ton phones, to da so me ton tade.
When Jan school ne ko tena edum way. Uti edum che host the how.
Alam school ne dey e bibi keke nti na mabaw. Oh, a baby keke. So what I say. Me some beto fraud kakra. So what I say. Sometimes the boss search na am fa na me rat town.
Search na dey
say uni marikoro. Adams.
Ono so mo town.
Adams na wo say me bie wani wo school mu apa.
Why me dey say my radio say me dey.
Then one here boys be the age awu.
Sir.
Different steez kura hwe.
Omo to beton ana.
Enton beton nya aduane Adams. Online, more search here. Binya bruni. Adams, metro, we the metro.
We bedin komo.
I host pesa.
We near you.
In life. Don't so any precious. Oh, Steez be. Yeah. Yeah, no, do a nice girl.
Precious is so a nice girl.
Again, then one fair. But she ye na no bien din command for girl we who school.
Me the school ma crowd there.
Ye pan anu bien because oye na nipa ba ko be hyem ntem say Kim. Obese obi bia.
School ma crowd me because one pa me susu ncho. Me school apart from Opoku na me ne Iddi girl no nkomo. So na me no Opoku tie no. Kona girl no ka bi ben ma beka Opoku asa.
Adam. What's it?
So Opoku me nipa Opoku.
Adam say ne wa ko jina school mo na ka kire obi e.
Sese.
Opoku yi nipa also kan asem kire no.
Opoku dey on there. Ene ne se na eti. Ono class no si support me again. Ona mama me again nye you.
Enka se obo ahwe Opoku yi obi a obetia na wakoka obetia na wakoka. Na won si edi nkomo inside a ye beba abontina ma ni na ate. Eye wan ya.
Eno nye fanfula.
Enye fanfula ono nye sa style no. Fanfula na minim se bi obeye sa line ba mi tietie mu hwehwem na e Opoku.
Opoku dey. Me ji.
Opoku onu ne de meeting school no. Ba hwe, on say manfo e ba school mo nyina akuja no.
And all kind of side. I also go to watch your school. You better go castle. Or your house master.
House master. Because a trapping life. And I'm a trapping life. No. Ye dear, any other patch. Ye dear, any other patch. But she Opoku die. Men kage na se munche ni bio fitineko. Adam so Jimmy Diana.
Oh me Judy de Opoku ana fanfula. Because fanfula na me nim say.
Opoku asem na me ken. Opoku bitima akwa wo asekra ma ni ge ni jai. So why she here?
That be 100 days to go. Odo Opoku ntendo. E wait me I be by say. Opoku say na blame me ge we say na work try.
Asem wo beto me ke bibia.
Na to ameti akona e be frame say precious hwe me say girl no me nyesi. Ono na pia na Aroma. Ona hwe. Uni mpo Opoku agwa me so me ni.
Sanso na obesa akoka cha Aroma sisi ni hwe yie. Ja. Me minim date am kasa. Ana minim de me hu Opoku. Ada nya me ne wa. Hwe yie. Me de me hu as a brother. Tina me no disa ankomo o me feel school mo anko na me feel o.
O me are no
one. So anko na me feel o. Ah anka on talk akran ka to da anka me beje nkoma. Hwe me feel ntia ti hwe yi wo ge no. Hwe yi pan kana asem nchi o bia o fiti na ekọ. What I say? Nyesa ima e mu nyina ate a ne wogu.
No ka de o ha no
ti ti. O de so fa no ti dia o de waso ashi. So you me do also hwe yi no. Na school say.
When a school dear boy Senate na. Hey master teacher no. Oba no bisa wase o.
Boy me
Oba no bisa wase.
My chinadi o.
Da.
So what this is o ma me iPhone 6 or 16 Pro Max.
Hey, nti oba obisa say mic wey girls no. Say am say o yare the hostel.
Hey. Now teacher ni o pa there for.
O 6 to 16.
I know the 4 million also. iPhone 6 here 4 million also G16.
For 6 then ka 15 cross nko benyana.
No kra me maybe o.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months.
I think say my chair and it didn't come on so be and this time around no. See she menu see say no catch me say hear me or life ma see me call yeah I'm very interested. I don't know me didn't tell me no kasa me who I meet me kasa me not me come in see do say me go so let me present me bisa say Mommy chance, you know, you to me move on.
Yeah, about that. I've thought about it and I think I'll have to say yes.
Good. Seer. Are you sure?
100%.
Do you know something?
No.
Can you close your eyes?
Okay.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Alright, open your eyes.
So pretty, thank you.
Okay.
You're joking, right?
You look like I'm joking.
You are joking.
I'm so serious. I'm damn serious. It's over between us. I don't want anything to do with you. I don't even know you. Okay, from now on, I don't know you. When you see me, just walk. I don't even see your shadow. I don't want to ever see your face. Put that at the back of your mind, Aroma. You and I are not a thing anymore. I'm tired of this relationship, so I'm walking away. So do same. Move on.
Hey, Seer. So wait, you think you can just walk out of
I don't
us
think I'm
like
not
that?
a property that you can keep. Okay, I'm not for you.
You think you can just walk out of us like that, Seer? You are kidding. Trust me, because you don't know what.
It's not his choice.
Wait
For
Hey,
what?
hey,
I said I can't be with you. Let's end things, okay? You and I can never.
Hey.
Aroma, put that at the back of your mind, okay? I don't want you anymore. I need space. I need time. I have a lot in my back. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I need time to heal. That's what I want right now. Space is what I want. Aroma, leave me alone.
I will not leave you alone.
You are playing.
I am.
want to
Hey,
Let's go.
Seer.
The see what's on. How do I say that? Also, TV no see.
Ono so ni medjai. Ene send me asempa. Jema na re. Send me asempa. It is a good news, a hope of glory. Seer we so no medjai. Ene agina kasa. What it? Let's go down. Chano maninko. Bro, oban jami o, ene mpeso oban timi jami o.
Oba be ni ntimi now. What you watching me? Bia me catch yourself precious. Get what up. Also see incident we see out what betwem. Okos kanti wo. Okos kanti wo. What to me? You su no says you su kupendu pe. Get no do powerful na kumem. Me catch it all some one dream last outside. Was there na see adom here. We are no tietia we you dan see adom.
Oh, min jami. Ni para so no jami. O ntimi jami. Jano, hey, jano no so den jano. Jage no otom. Jano. Akatani so ma ge tete o sare wajibi. Wo ba na hu ne so dana. Maninko, o se won pe wa fada kan no ante. O se won pe wa maninko. Facebook, Snapchat gets wo ho. Pizza na planted birds wo ho. Ema bebrebe abu. Akatani so mo baba ko petete.
Ntimi bro.
Me rush no bro. Ebi awia na abo no me to achi no onyinum ko say enko asem na o ka kire me bro. Hwe.
Hey, so na broken heart net here. And I don't mean be part there. I will many name of the harm so that minute. Hey, broken heart. I just remember when a nice gay wait to come. Also won't pay. Ope popo. Give me a way to will not spend we. I don't know pay.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months I meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso meya. Me pesa me come any months we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Yo.
Huh? What am I seeing, Seer? Huh? I'm talking to you.
Are you blind? Don't you have eyes? Can't you see? Or you need glasses? Which one of them?
Yo.
I already told you it's over between us.
It is what?
It's over between us. I don't want you anymore.
Yeah,
okay?
So tell us more catch on.
Me tia some o catch me.
So say, and one no so ni will be until after the debut.
Mike, say o makasa me nyeba unya hu bibia. Nigga, there yo. Don't ever want me bro. Yo, what me get on time?
Your ex-woman, Aroma, your ex-girlfriend. Babe, hold on. We don't owe you any explanations, okay? I'm not yours.
Who baby no?
What's your problem?
No, don't talk again. What's it there?
You know that's my girlfriend.
Your ex-girlfriend, Aroma.
My J. We're bro to bro, my J. We are not bro. And you say bloody things here. Man.
Aroma. Sometimes me who ye BBC and who say Ujina TV so na kasa.
Why are you disgracing yourself?
Aroma. Eba from say ma wa ya fa ne boko. Na wo chini. Na ma na funu. Aroma,
you need Jimmy Bamana phone.
And you mean think was a semukura.
My G.
So we mistake, Aroma. I dear my son. The piano man found it simple, my boy. The piano man found it simple. Aroma, Shemie.
My G.
So, hey,
Don't touch me. I said you don't own me. What's wrong with you?
My G.
So Jimmy.
My G.
So Jimmy Seer.
Seer has broken up with Aroma.
Seer has broken up with Aroma.
Yeah. Why do you seem normal? You're supposed to be surprised or happy or something.
Like, so how does that concern me? Like,
Aroma broke my heart. Now Seer has broken his heart. You're not happy for me.
so you want to go back?
No. That's not what I came to tell you. I came to tell you that Aroma has gotten broken heart. That's it. Why would you think that I would want to go back?
No, it seems you are happy for them breaking up
I'm
because
happy
you can
because
get your way back to him.
no, I'm happy because Aroma has gotten broken heart. Don't overthink this. Why would I go back to Aroma? There's no way I'll ever go back to Aroma. That guy. Sure? Oh nah. Trust me.
I trust you.
Yes. Trust me.
I trust you.
Oh, so be happy.
I can't be happy, but I trust you. I can't be happy
That's
because
cool. Everybody will get broken hearts. Everything except you. Yeah, you won't get broken hearts. I can't break your heart like that.
why are you excluding me?
Because I love you and you love me. So how can we, break up?
And that's what all the ladies in this school told the guys, and they ended up
breaking up. I didn't break up with Aroma. Aroma broke up with me. Do you get it? So there's no way I'll be breaking up with you.
Sure.
Yeah, I won't break up with you. There's no way I'll be breaking up with you.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. So, what's up this evening? Where are you going to? What will you be doing?
I have nowhere going. Maybe we should just meet at the dining hall and just have some fun.
Okay. Have fun in the dining hall.
Yeah.
Naughty.
I don't know, naughty.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months adwa meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party.
Okay.
You should have an amico.
For all for me.
Me from off my mouth.
For me. Oh, for no, I know who's ass or person or chimney be style be. I want a woman and person with the meeting.
Hey, I'm a meal.
All of a lady in an uncle.
I don't know, measurement name of our own and asking.
Say bloodline. One young me. And only school had my friend, so I know I may then watch nanny at the identity. Oh, now met me out a heat a suit, so no friend of mammy. To friend of mammy, yes, or best school now. The best senior.
No, find him when you school hands in a manner.
So when I met me a friend and like I say, a job to school how I'm run or whatever.
When your papa will crowd, and my friend, I'm a number. May I meet my friend, I'm a number.
Me papa.
Oh, if you are in a year, you want to ban or be doing a man, man.
No, skirt is all line on the me and me po. Friend of mammy, many are not casting me diago. Share. The last time I met you, go me home out, no, me go me home outside, you must have friend of mammy.
What do you know?
Me imagine, and then I was imagine you.
What do you know?
Friend of mammy.
I want some basa. Share me find him. That's when you school more. What friend no nyana inti me menya ne den. Inti me na be jansa me friend no.
When I want another friend, I can say me the heat is so I met school more no ma. The minimum base and one.
The heat is me so.
Maybe my age money na what the school. Me I made the family home. It is a moon pass ma friend. So
na why wadwen so ne be wo. Inti no. Friend try unya na fine.
Me friend na binya na kama me the heat abesu so friend. Friend ma chalo phone no.
Hey. Many sad.
Friend of mine, Jade or Chena.
Me friend, I'm out. Hey.
Me so would the phone class.
When you send the phone call class into them.
Ain't a friend of mine, Miss Seer. On friend.
Me friend, we know be a me friend.
Again, me boom.
Me get Babu Precious. Me Tonya me Precious. Why don't I be Precious to school?
What's when you are bring?
Why don't I be Precious to school?
Send when you are bring. I know Miss Many are bring to friend of mammy. On friend.
I feel maybe caught 2 girls no hostel why they make.
We need to tell when you bread and then person is my ear.
Sans a some way me basabi. Or mummy and was some person with me life basament me Joe I mean say. Oh then I'm a catch on the catch on Joe.
You're correct.
Ah, Scanty, what just went on here?
Ah, what?
Why was she poking your head? What was going on?
Who was Antoine?
Yeah.
No, she wasn't poking my. We were just having some normal conversation.
Are you sure?
Yeah, just the normal vibes like I am going.
I know what I saw.
What did you see? For how long have you been standing here?
I was walking and then I saw you guys talking back and forth.
Yeah, we were talking. We were just having some normal conversation.
Normal conversation?
Yeah. No.
It didn't seem like a normal conversation.
Precious. It was a normal conversation. I can't have anything doing with her or I can't be fighting with her. Asantua is not my talking mate.
I'm sure you guys were fighting.
We are not fighting.
Are you sure?
Did you see someone hitting each other?
Saw her poking your head.
Oh no. Then it was a normal vibe. Okay.
If you say so. I'm trusting you. I don't want to hear anything like that.
Me, Precious.
That you and Asantua are fighting over something.
No, we are not fighting over anything. What at all will you fight about?
Okay. If you say so.
Don't you trust me?
I was going to the hostel, so let's
So
just...
why are you late from class today?
Yeah, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brussels with me, yeah. Me person me come any months, I